Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys. Often people are complaining that their WhatsApp is hacked and there are a lot of important messages, numbers, and obviously they are so much disappointed about it and how to get it back. So today I'm going to tell you a very simple procedure by which you can save your WhatsApp account. No one will be able to hack your account. It's a simple procedure. So first you need to open the WhatsApp. Then you can see three dots on the top right corner. Click on this. Then we have last option of setting. So click on the setting. After setting, there is second option, account. So just click on this. After you click on account, you have third option, two-step verification. So simply click on this two-step verification. After you click this, then you have a button at the bottom, enable. Just click this enable button. Now they are asking you to write the PIN. That PIN will be asked whenever anyone try to hack your account, or even if you are using this WhatsApp account in any other mobile, they will ask you this PIN. So if you know this PIN, you can simply enter it and your WhatsApp will go on. But if someone wants to hack our account and even that person gets our password, if he does not have that PIN, he will be unable to log in. So our account will be safe. So right now I'm giving a number of 6-digit number for PIN, and then they are asking to confirm. So I'm writing again a number. Now they're asking for the email. So simply you type your email which you usually use. So I'm giving one email, and then they will ask again an email address. So I'm writing it again, and then I'm clicking on save. So now it's saying that two-step verification is enabled, and I'll click on done. Now I have three more options: disable, change PIN, and change email address. So the first option is disable. The second option is change PIN. You want to change your PIN, you can change it, and you can also change your email address. So in this way, your account is protected now. And whenever you are setting up, you need to just enter the PIN, and obviously you will be able to set it up. But the other people cannot hack your account. I hope you like this video and it will be really helpful for you. So give it a like, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to share with others so they may benefit also. Take care. Allah.